Welcome to the Mind Bridge Hypnotherapy. This recording is a gentle guided hypnosis journey to help you recharge and restore your energy and connect to the wisdom of your higher self. And at the end of the hypnosis, you'll be reawakened, feeling recharged and ready to continue your day. And this session was originally written for a specific client, and while it has been adapted for wider use, please remember that it may not be suitable for everyone. This recording is not a substitute for professional medical, psychological, or psychiatric care, and by choosing to listen, you accept full responsibility for your own well-being. Please only listen to this recording when you're somewhere safe and free from distractions, and never when driving or operating machinery. If you'd like to work with me one-on-one, you can find the details in the description of this video. So, if you're ready, I'll invite you now to make yourself as comfortable as possible, allowing your body to begin to relax and allowing your mind to gently prepare for a deep, calming, transformative experience. So let's begin. Taking time to settle down, and you can allow the thoughts of the day to be put aside to take time for yourself. As we journey within a place of dense forests and sweeping mountains and blissful pristine lakes. So I want you to imagine stepping into that forest now, perhaps starting to feel that soft woodland floor under your feet. And notice what you notice as you arrive in that place. Maybe the sounds of the birds in the trees, perhaps the rustling of leaves around you. Maybe noticing that scent of the earth and the greenery that surrounds you now. And notice how it feels as you move through the forest from tree to tree. Noticing how that green filtered light comes through the leaves and the canopy above you. And maybe feeling a sense of curiosity at just how restorative this place can be for you. That's right. As we begin to access the magic of this place, I want you to be guided by your intuition as you explore this forest. Notice which direction you feel that you want to move in. Notice which trees you are drawn to. Intuitively find a special tree here within this forest, one that stands so strong and secure and safe. So finding now whichever tree embodies that safe, secure energy for you now. And as you approach that tree, I'd like you to reach out and place a hand onto the tree. As you do, you can sense the deep feeling of safety, that deep residing peace. You can welcome that deep sense of safety into the body now, just imagining that your own body is becoming so deeply grounded, rooted, safe and secure, just like this incredible tree. And taking all the time you need to fill up on that safe, secure, grounded feeling now. And now perhaps you'd like to journey a little bit further to explore the other gifts of Yosemite. I'd like you to listen and see if you can notice the sound of a waterfall. Perhaps you imagine turning your head and moving towards that sound of running water. That's right. There are so many amazing places here. So we're going to go and find this most incredible waterfall deep within the forest, allowing your intuition to guide you. That's right. That waterfall that comes into view. As you instinctively move towards it, I want you to imagine reaching out and feeling how cool and refreshing that water is as you run your hands under the water. noticing that this water feels soft and refreshing and the temperature is just perfect. And perhaps you can sense that this water contains an incredible power to remove stagnant stress, tension and pain. So I'd like you to imagine stepping under the waterfall now, noticing that pleasant temperature of the water as it runs over the body, noticing that that water flows to wherever it's needed. So allowing and welcoming and accepting that deep release of any stress, tension or pain. Allowing this to take all the time that it needs. Washing down into the ground, carrying it away. Releasing now anything that no longer serves you. Perhaps old beliefs or stagnant thoughts or old fears. Just allowing these to be washed away. Leaving only what is helpful. That's right. That's right. Wonderful. And when you are all ready, you can step out of that waterfall and notice that in the gentle sunlight, that water is clearing away and the sunlight is drying you. I want you to notice now how good your body feels after that deeply cleansing experience. Perhaps you feel lighter. Perhaps you feel that calm, good energy in your body. And now that you're completely dried off, feeling pleasant in the body, I want you to thank that waterfall for its transformational gifts. And now perhaps you'd like to journey a little bit further to explore the other gifts of Yosemite. You begin to see a path which leads you away from the waterfall. As you find that path, you instinctively know that this path is going to take you somewhere that will connect you to your higher self. That's right. And as you find that path and begin to take those steps, notice that you begin to feel more empowered. And as you look ahead along the path to a point where the forest becomes much less dense and the trees are spacious between them. And a little further now, you can see beyond you a beautiful clear lake. And beyond that lake is a beautiful mountain vista. So I'd like to invite you to walk up to the edge of that lake now, leaving the forest behind you and gazing up and taking in the expansiveness of this glorious view. And perhaps you begin to sense that open, fresh air all around. And in this amazing place, we're going to take a couple of deep cleansing breaths. I'm going to do 4 deliberate restorative breaths here, taking in this incredible mountain air. So ready, we take the first deep breath in, holding it, and release. That's right. And the second deep breath in, holding it. That's right, and release. And the third breath in, holding it. That's right, and release. And the last deep breath in. And releasing. Now, as we allow the breath to return to its normal pattern, take a moment to take in the spaciousness here. And as we take in that spaciousness around us, I'd like to invite your higher self, part of you that has deep intuition, part of you that can offer you guidance and deep knowing, to come into this spaciousness around you and within you. And as you connect with this higher self, I'd like you to notice that feeling of trust. Trust in yourself. Trust in your intuition. Trust in the deeper knowing within you. And trust in this deep guidance available to you now. So allowing that connection to your higher self, being available there as a resource to you, and feeling that deep inner trust in the body, in the mind, in the soul. So as you begin to feel ready to return to your day, you can know and trust that everything that you have gathered here today will return with you. You will come back feeling safe, secure, and deeply recharged, bringing all of that wisdom with you from your higher self. That's right. So in a few moments' time, I will count from 1 to 10. And at 10, you will awaken feeling refreshed and ready to continue your day. So ready. 1, 2, 3, starting to awaken you. 4, 5, 6, feeling the energy coming into the hands and feet. That's right. Coming back. 7, 8, 9, opening the eyes, fluttering them open. That's right. Nice deep breath in. That's right. 9, 10, wide awake, wide awake, wide awake. That's right. So welcome back, and I hope you got something of value from that session. If you have any special requests, you can let me know in the comments section. And if you'd like to work with me one-on-one, you can find my details in the description of this video. And have a lovely rest of your day.